In this video, I'm going to show you how I match up my stripes when I'm seaming. So you'll see right here I've got a seam, and here I've connected colors in such a way that it doesn't look like there's a jog. So I'm going to show you my trick for doing that. So this happens to be a sleeve on a sweater. So here I've got my second sleeve, and you'll see that I'm close to where I've got a new color stripe joining in. When I seam sleeves together or anything with rows to rows, generally I take 2 bars or 2 rows at a time from each side. So I'll continue with my usual method until I get close to that stripe. When I get close to that stripe, I'm going to slow down. So here I have 3 bars remaining in that light pink color. I'm just going to take 1, slow down, right? And here I've got 3 bars here. I'm going to take 1 again. Then right here, I'm going to take another single bar. And on this side, I will take the 2. And on this side, I will take the last, that single bar in the pink. So what I've done is I've slowed down as I got close to that join and started taking single bars. And what you want to do is grab 2 bars, excuse me, to 1 single on the other side, right when you get to a stripe. And then I'm going to keep it slow as I'm coming out of the gate, so to speak, right past that stripe. And then when you pull tight, you'll see that really beautiful join right there. So you want to slow down when you get to a stripe, take single bars. Happy seaming.